adjournment ಕರೀತೇನೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ adjournment ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ payment adjournment ಕರೀತೀನಿ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4
ये प्रमोट दो अच्छा है चलो भाई लो
Your court is muted, my lord. Your court is muted, my lord.
Page number 9, serial number 26 to 30.
Serial number 26, my lords. I request for a week adjournment, my lords. My lords, due to some personal inconvenience, senior is not in town, my lords. Yes, my lords, I will inform. My lords, interim order may be extended.
27, your lordship. Withdrawal.
Not serial number 30, my lord. My lord, serial number 30. Serial number 30. I request for a week adjournment. 30, serial number 30. I request for a week adjournment. Not senior inconvenience, personal inconvenience. Personal inconvenience, my lord. Personal inconvenience of senior.
Page number 10, serial number 31 to 35. Page 11, 36 to 41.
38, my lord, is a matter pertaining to housing loan, my lord. I instructed them for one-time settlement. That's why kindly have it on next week, my lord, if possible. We will get it settled or else we will be done. Please. Please. Oh, bye.
Page number 12, serial number 42 to 47.
Serial number 47, my lord. Pray for a week's time. I have informed the other side. Week's time. 47. 7 again.
My lord, serial number 15. Serial number 15. Hearing will be here today. I have come all the way from Mumbai for this hearing, ma'am. Okay.
My lord, I am for the respondent in that matter. 50.
My lord, serial number 3, my lord.
List number 2, page number 2, serial number 5 to 7. Page number 3, serial number 8.
Serial number 8, my lords. 8, my lords. Senior is not keeping well, my lords. I requesting to have it next week, my lords. Senior is not keeping well. I requesting to have it next week, my lords.
I will to get instructions in that.
Respondent number 2, my lord.
My lord, serial number 3, my lord.
Please.
Serial number 3, my lord.
In that matter, my lord, B report is filed, my lord. They have filed a protest memo before the magistrate, my lord. That nothing survive for consideration.
My lord.
My lord,
Serial number.
list 2, serial number 14, it is rendered infructuous. I'm filing a, please, my lord.
Lord, serial number
It may
12.
kindly be
my
disposed
lord.
of according to the terms of the matter.
Last paragraph.
No, you just informed.
List 1 serial number 4.
Serial
List
number
1
12.
serial number 4. 4. Which the petition?
Serial number 1, my lord.
So 4, 4,
Serial number 12, my lord. I pray for time. Senior is not. List 2, my lord. Senior is unwell today, my lord. I pray.
Day after tomorrow, I will secure instructions.
My lord, I pray for 2 weeks time. He's not feeling well.
Oh, next week, my lord.
Please. Like, my interim order may be extended. Grateful.
Serial number 5, list number 2, serial number 5, my lord. Time for SOP.
My lord, they filed a complaint on 8/1/22, my lord, to the station officer Koramanga and also to the DCP, my lord. The complaint sent through RPD, my lord, to Koramanga. It is not forthcoming, my lord. No, the allegation is, my lord, they have given torture to the servant, my lord. Now we are in 26, my lord. The cause of action will be nothing action. No action has been taken, my lord.
Senior is
Serial number
My
1, my
lord,
lord.
serial number 3, my lord. Serial number 3, list 1, my lord.
Lords, may I make a submission? I'm sorry for the interruption.
Serial
My lord, serial number 3, my lord.
number 1,
List
I
1,
pray
serial number 3.
2 weeks time, my lord. Because serial
My
number
lord,
1.
Interim order to be extended. 8. Petitioner in this case, my lord. Three is the borrower of the loan, ma'am. Who took the
Borrowers.
loan, my lord? Borrower. I am the third party, my lord. We are the owner of the property, but they took the loan from our property, my lord.
My lord, last week they,
From the LS of the late, from the LS of the late, some name is there. 2007, my lord. We are possession in the from 1997, my lord. But we took the property.
my lord, last week they given the petition copy. I was sent to the bank, my lord.
Even 2007.
Even I also do not know because unless they tell us, because this is an old matter, 22 matter. Yesterday, the last week, that petition copy was served. Only 1 week, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll find out exactly what is the position also. Even because, my lord, even Vakalata also they have not given because I have not sent the copy.
my lord, serial number 3, my lord, for the plaintiff, my lord. Kindly place 1 week. My lord, we couldn't hear you, my lord. Sorry, my lord.
Bank is a nationalized bank.
My lord, it's an Axis Bank, my lord.
Axis Bank,
You appear?
yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So and so is
My
directed to
lord,
take
senior,
notice. What do you want?
no, my lord, kindly 1 week time, my lord. Senior is not well, my lords.
So and so is directed to take notice on behalf of the respondent bank. Then counsel for the petition serve the copy of the writ petition on the counsel. There is no interest to pursue the matters. 2022, no interim order, nothing. And whenever the matter comes, you ask for time. What is the purpose of filing a writ petition? Let's this matter next week. You please get instructions. You please take the court file, Mr. Xavier.
We will
Look
take
at
the
it.
court.
Give him the file. Let's this matter next on first. On your instructions, we'll dispose of the matter.
My lord, in this matter, I am for the respondent. Section 14 order has been challenged in this matter. 2022 matter. They have the alternative remedy.
No interim order in this. There is an interim order.
Yes. Yes.
Though the matter is called out twice, none appears for the petitioners. No representation. 18/4/2022. So they have never. They are not coming.
Yes, my lord.
The writ petition is filed. Seeking the following prayer.
Section 14 order dated.
This matter has come up to the court only on 2 occasions. On those 2 occasions, the matter there was no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Today also there is no representation. The order that is impugned before this court is an order passed for the magistrate under section 14 of the Surface Act. Against that, the writ petition is not maintainable before this court. And apart from that, it appears that the petition is not interested to prosecute the matter. Accordingly dismissed. Yes, next.
Writ petition is not maintainable, my lord. I have challenged the possession notice, my lord.
The writ petition is filed against seeking a relief against ICSA Home Finance Company Limited in the light of the law laid down in Vishwabharati. So and so, the writ petition against a private finance company is not maintainable. Accordingly, dismissed. Accordingly, the petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedy. Petitioner shall have the benefit of section 14 of the Limitation Act. E7.
PF is paid today, my lord. PF is paid today, my lord. For R4 to R7.
So finally, in 26, you have paid the PF for issuance of notice to respondents.
Sorry, my lord.
Union of India, who appears? Mr. Shantibhushan, DSP, is directed to take notice on behalf of respondents. 1, 2, 3. ICICI Bank, you appear? Mr. Xavier, so and so is directed to take notice on behalf of the 4th respondent. Notice to respondents 5, 6, and 7. Learned counsel shall serve the copy of the writ petition on the counsels appearing for the respondents. And what is questioned before this court?
Serial number 3 file code Axis Bank.
To quash the proceedings in OA number. Please get in the look at the file. This matter on 6th of April.
Interim order may be.
We'll file objection. We'll see.
There is an interim order in this.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly.
Let them give. Tomorrow only I'll submit before the court. Day after tomorrow, my lord. Day after tomorrow the matter.
Because it's only 1 day tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
They will
Tuesday or Wednesday next week.
Have it on 6th.
6th.
Already 1st and 2nd, the board is full.
Yes, ma'am.
Give him the papers now.
Interim order may please, ma'am. 2 minutes.
It will be extended.
Yes, ma'am. Please. Yes.
Happily enjoying interim order from 2023 and not even paying the process.
1 week time, ma'am.
And when I'm dismissing it, I'll dismiss it with cost. Yes.
1 week time, ma'am.
Why 1 week time?
I appear for the respondent.
Second time you have taken.
My lord, I take notice for respondent number 2 as well.
1 minute.
Section possession notice is being challenged before this court. Same, Manish Acharya. Same.
No, this is Karnataka Bank. Writ again is Karnataka Bank is not maintainable.
Not maintainable.
The writ petition is filed. Seeking the following prayer against the Karnataka Bank in the light of the law laid down in Gautam versus so and so. The writ petition is not maintainable against the Karnataka Bank. Accordingly, dismissed, giving liberty to the petitioner. Accordingly, the writ petition is dismissed as not maintainable. However, the petitioner is at liberty to avail the appropriate remedy. Yes, 9. His name is not there.
My name is, there is a Anisha Acharya, respondent, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so appears on behalf of the respondent number
2 as well.
1 and 2.
1 and 2, both.
Yes, next.
Matter is infructuous, Your Lordship.
No citation is sufficient.
Your Lordship, matter is infructuous. I have filed a memo for withdrawal. Your Lordship.
Memo is filed seeking to withdraw the writ petition. Memo is filed seeking to withdraw the writ petition stating that the writ petition has become infructuous. Accordingly, memo is taken on record and dismissed as infructuous. Yes, next.
Appealing for petition.
My lord.
I
I take notice for R4. R4.
Let me just see what is it.
My lord. Thanks.
Challenging commission's order.
1 minute.
The impugned order under page number 31 annexure A.
Cashing the order dated 21/3/2023. Passed with the first respondent.
Yes.
Who is the first respondent?
The Commissioner for Karnataka State.
Chairman
for
of
Scheduled
Karnataka
Caste
State
and
Commission
Tribes
for-
Act.
The Karnataka State Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes.
Kindly, my lord, under section 10.
So now notice is served to whom and who are to be served? Come to the cause title. You take notice for whom?
R4, my lord.
No, one you don't appear.
One is for commission, I don't appear.
Who are any panel counsel for that?
Manjunath is.
There. 2?
2 is a private party.
No, 2 is notice served. For 2 also. For R2 and R3. R4.
I take notice.
PTA takes notice on behalf of respondent number 4. Then what about 5, 6? All are served.
11 and 12, I've taken process, Your Lordship, today.
What is to be done now for 11 and 12?
Your Lordship, for 11 and 12, I've taken fresh steps today. In respect of 11 and 12, I've taken.
No, fresh steps means?
I've furnished the available address, the new address.
Then that the petitioner shall furnish the address of 11, respondent number 11 and 12 within 2 days.
Your Lordship, with respect to respondent number 8, it says the addressee has deceased. They're all strangers to the company. If any of the other respondents may be directed to furnish the details of their LRs.
Who has to furnish?
Any of the other respondents, because they're all neighbors.
We'll see. This is marked in the month of June. Yes, next 11.
Much.
Give the file. What is this UCO Bank? Where is Mr. No bank counsels. Muttanna, what's his name? UCO Bank?
UCO Bank, no man.
It's a nationalized bank.
Yes, there is a nationalized bank. It has been merged to some other bank now.
Who appears? Who appears for the UK Bank?
UCO Bank. No, I'll let you know, my lord, another 5 minutes.
No, please tell the court officer. No, after once he gives the name, print the name of so-and-so. So-and-so is directed to take notice on behalf of the first respondent. No representation on behalf of the petitioner. This is matter for dismissal tomorrow. Yes.
My lord, appearing for petitioner in this matter, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I'll furnish a paper, this one cover and acknowledgement during course of the.
This writ petition again is Tata Capital Housing Finance Limited is not maintainable.
Please, my lord.
The writ petition is filed against Tata Capital Housing Finance Limited. Same In the light of the same, the writ petition is not maintainable. Dismiss section 14. Yes, next.
Serial number 13, my lord.
For the respondent number 1, my lord.
I am for the petitioner, my lord. 13.
Yes.
I have sought for the early hearing of the matter.
1 minute.
My lord, we do not have the writ petition copy, my lord, may be directed to serve as a copy or
2021.
at least we'll get it Xerox, my lord, in our
When
cost.
did you file your wakalat?
My lord.
For all the respondents, I have only served. Along with the
25.
copy.
Please serve the papers on them.
Yes, please, my lord.
Then also
Respondent
the
number?
petition serve the petition on the respondents. List this matter in the month of June. Yes, 14.
A date may kindly be given, my lord. Date may be fixed for the hearing.
On 10th of June. Yes.
Please, please.
This account has been regularized, my lord. This may be closed.
Account is, then counsel appearing for the respondent bank submits that the account is regularized. Accordingly, the writ petition is dismissed as infructuous. It's 15.
Milords, myself appearing as 14 person for this matter.
No, you can't maintain a writ petition against this asset reconstruction company.
Well, Milord, notice has been served to.
Maybe, no, not about service of notice. Give him the judgment. I'll take up that matter, read that judgment. That Justice Emma Shah's judgment in Vishwabharati. Yes, next.
I can file, if any judgment, if I'm not aware of, I can file my affidavit.
They will give you a court officer, read the judgment.
Yeah.
Yes, 16.
For respondent, my lords.
For the petitioner.
Yes.
Your lordship, this matter is related to the double sale which the respondent has done, and in which the respondent number 1 is having some section 14 order. Your lordship was kind
This
enough
is
to
PNB. Mr. Counsel, this is PNB Housing Finance Company. In the light of the Supreme Court judgment, writ petition is not maintainable. Please come to the court, look at the judgment and argue the matter. The writ petition is filed against PNB Housing Finance. Against such a writ petition is not maintainable. In the light of the law laid down in that Vishwabharati one, the petitioner and counsel for the petitioner seeks time. Let's this matter on 8th of April. Interim order earlier granted is extended till then. Yes, thanks.
Thank you.
My lords, I appeal for the petition, my lords. This is a matter pertaining to Persons with Disabilities Act, my lords. Under section 37 of the Act, my lords, the state government is supposed to give reservation as well as concession in allotment of land, my lords.
1 minute. Let me just look at your prayer. What is that you're seeking?
My lords. My lords, in the prayer, my lords, the first prayer is to issue a mandamus, my lords, to comply with section 37 of the Right of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016 by formulating a
Who is
policy.
respondent number 2?
Respondent number 2 is KDB, my lord.
I appeal for R1 KDB.
State of Karnataka.
Who
Respondent
is
number State of Karnataka.
State of Karnataka?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Comply with section 37 of the right to so and so.
Yes,
Direct
ma'am.
respondent number 1 to provide 70% concession on the land allotted to the petitioner, white so and so. Let's see what is section 37 of the
Disability
Act.
Act.
Senior Citizens Act.
Yes, ma'am.
Disability.
Persons with
Disability
disabilities.
Persons with
2016.
disability.
16.
Section 37, my lords.
1 minute.
May permitted to
Have
provide
the
the
copy
relevant
of it.
portion.
Take that.
37C.
Yes.
37C, my lords. I'll read. The appropriate government and the local authorities shall by notification make schemes in favor of persons with benchmark disabilities to provide. C is the relevant one, my lords. 5% reservation in allotment of land on concessional rate where such land is to be used for the purpose of promoting housing, shelter, setting up of occupation, business, enterprise, recreation centers and production centers.
It speaks about 5%.
10%.
5% reservation in allotment, my lords, and concessional rate, my lords. Two things, my lords. One
So why
is
are you
5%.
saying this 70? No, on what basis this 75% concession?
My lords, 75%, my lords. KEDB is already giving 75% concession to SC/ST persons, my lords. And there is also a letter of the state government. If your lordships will see memo, my lords, memo
No,
filed by the.
you're seeking treatment on par with the SC/ST.
Yes,
That's what.
yes. Because they have been
Have
granted
you filed your
75%.
The objections also filed and were led by Advocate General in this case. The Advocate General, wide 16 and 22, made a submission that it is since it's a policy matters will comply. We are seeking certain time, my lord. We'll comply.
Last 3 years,
We
same
need-
thing is happening, my lords. 22. Your lordships may see the order sheet. In fact, bailable warrant was also issued.
1 minute. There should be some
Sorry,
reasonable time, whatever it is. We just can't say that the Advocate General has submitted that. It's a politicization. They will do it. They want time. That can't be the order.
in that
They
regard-
should be like they will be doing it within a reasonable time.
We have forwarded, we have concluded the meeting, and as per dated 22/9/2020, we have filed the detailed objections, and we have forwarded the communication to the government also. In the government also take a call along with we are ready.
When was it sent to the government? When did you send it to the
Yes,
government?
on 9/10/2025.
How much time it takes? Please get instructions. Let Advocate General appear and submit. This is matter on 15th of April.
Interim order may be
By the time, then an Advocate General shall submit before the court. What is the time frame for the implementation of the same?
My lords, interim order may be extended, my lords, in 17.
Interim order earlier granted.
I'm for the
Is
petitioner, my
extended
lord, seeking permission to retire from this case, my lord. Seeking permission to retire from this case, my lord.
Where is that? Where is your
We have
application?
sent notice, my lord. We have sent notice to party. On short date may be given, my lord. We'll file that acknowledgement along
It is
with.
submitted that the petitioner, the land counsel, the petitioner wants to retire from the case. And in this regard, a notice is sent to the respondents. This is matter on 21st of April. By that time, the memo shall be placed before the court. Yes, 19.
My lord, I pray for some time to appear before this court and address the argument. Since I'm not well today, I pray for time.
No, array of parties, what is this? Mr. AGA, what is this array of parties? Ex-minister and present MLC. What is that array of parties?
I don't know about the respondent. I am for the plaintiff. I am for the petitioner.
You have filed the writ petition. You have arrayed a person as ex-minister and present MLC Vidhana Mandala, Vidhana Sauda. There are so many ex-ministers and MLCs. There should be a name to him.
I'll make suitable correction next time. Kindly allot me some time, my lord.
Principal Secretary Social Welfare, Principal Secretary Revenue, ADGP Civil Rights Enforcement Directorate, Police Inspector, Chief Electoral Officer, Deputy Commissioner, Tehsildar. And what is the relief he is seeking? To quash the memorandum under bearing number, ex-MLA and present minister. How this writ petition is numbered like this? Please argue on this writ petition. This is matter how that writ petition is maintainable. This is matter on 8th of April. No further adjournments.
Appearing for petitioner, my lordship. My lordship, this is a case of writ of mandamus, my lordship. In this, my lordship, petitioners filed an application.
Come to your prayer.
My lordship. My lordship, writ of mandamus.
The fifth respondent authority to verify and pass appropriate orders on the claim made by the petitioner for issue of Veda Jangama scheduled caste certificate in terms of the order dated so and so. Who is the fifth respondent?
Tahsildar, my lordship.
Your representation is dated, when is your representation?
My lordship, my lordship, we have, as per order of AC, my lordship, we have 6, they have not taken any steps accordance with law.
What you will do, if he has not taken steps, what you will do? Won't you go to the concern saying that you do it? If he doesn't do it, then you will come to the court. And
Lordship.
without anything, you just say, order dated 16/9/2019 has to be implemented, and for that a mandamus.
Lordship, we have goes so many times there, and we
There
have,
is a representation. How will you get an order like this?
my lordship, in several writ petitions, they have ordered like that.
But this court will not order like this.
My lordship, upon that only, my lordship.
No, there should be a, no, when will you seek a writ of mandamus?
When they will.
Without even going to them, without even asking them to do. Where is the inaction on their part?
I will take instruction upon.
Let's this matter on 9th of April. If you have given any representation, get it. File it by way of additional, by way of a memo. Yes, 21.
My lord, 21, I'm appearing. No, my lord. Matter is infractions, my lords. We had challenged an order in a RERA case. That RERA case itself has been disposed of, my lords. Therefore, this petition does not survive. It may be dismissed as infructuous, my lord.
When counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that, the question and order passed by the respondent number 2 dated 26/7/2023. The main petition itself before the second respondent itself is disposed of, and nothing survives for consideration. And the petition has become infructuous accordingly, dismissed as infructuous.
Grateful.
My lord, I am the petitioner. I appear as party in person. My lord, in this petition, I have mainly challenged the demand notice issued by the first respondent bank, demanding payment of ₹10,21,010 as a alleged payment repayment due from me. I borrowed in 2004 31.5 lakhs, and entire amount I have paid, my lord, with interest, and I have paid in excess also. I have
Indian
produced,
Bank, who appears?
beg pardon?
You appear, Mr. Mutana? Indian Bank. Yes. So and so is directed to take notice on behalf of the respondent bank. Then counsel, the party in person should serve a copy of the writ petition on the counsel. Serve on him papers.
My lord, I have sought the interim order because no purpose will serve filing this writ petition.
I will take up this matter tomorrow if you give the papers to him, because bank will get instructions by tomorrow.
I should serve them a copy of the.
Copy of the writ petition. Please serve on.
Today itself, I will serve.
He will get instructions by tomorrow.
By tomorrow.
By tomorrow, please get instructions, Mr. Muttan. Or else interim order. That's what I'm saying, or else interim order.
Petitioner, I am ready with the affidavit as well as 1 crore rupees due.
Take the affidavit.
That is what I have.
No, let's see the affidavit. What did he say? Let's see the affidavit. Now, what is that he has given?
1 crore rupees.
1 crore is given now.
Yes. In 6 installments,
I am
equal
ready
installments.
ready and willing to clear the entire outstanding amount within 6 months from 1/4/2026 in 6 equal installments. Today I am handing over the demand draft of rupees 1 crore as detailed below. The said demand drafts are drawn on State Bank of India, Jayanagar branch. Balance amount of rupees 8 crores 51 lakh 22,747 will be cleared in 6 equal installments within 6 months from 1/4/2026.
It is what has been agreed upon the other day. They wanted immediate 1 crore within 31st of March. Today I have handed over 1 crore. 6 months, 6 installments, that is what is agreed upon. My lord, that cannot be possible, my lord, because.
No, 1 minute. Now, what is outstanding according to him?
My lord, the bank has issued the statement.
According to you, what is outstanding as on today?
Yesterday's statement, I will hand.
Take that.
My lord, out of the 6 loans, 9 crore 51 lakhs is the outstanding as on yesterday. Today I am depositing 1 crore. 851 will be the outstanding amount.
851 will be
Yes,
the
ma'am.
outstanding. When are you going to complete this?
6 months, 6 equal installment. Every month,
Today is March.
March 20. By September and September 30th, my lord, it will be clear. But I'll try to clear it within that period only. But to have a buffer, my lord,
By September, you will be, by September
Yes, ma'am.
26th.
every month, 1.5 crores I'll deposit.
What do you say? That's what I'm disposing it of. I'm not keeping it pending. And one more thing I'm also making very clear, in all these matters where the court is granting, basing on their undertaking, the time of 6 months, even yesterday also in one matter I said, if you don't pay the first installment, 5 lakhs cost. And in that matter I said 10. This is a huge amount. I would impose something else because we will not let anybody, like either the petitioner, bank also has to be reasonable, and the petitioner also can take the course of this for granted. Let him get instructions tomorrow.
Please, my lord. And in the meantime.
And as far as redelivery of the position
Yes,
is concerned, 1 minute. Redelivery of the position is concerned. Once he comes till 4 crores, that time you redeliver the position.
Not, my lord, 4 crores. The reason is this, because, my lord,
You will get it in 2 months, isn't it?
My lord, the reason is
No,
this,
one I
because
already paid.
I'll make one submission. My lord, it is a rent accruing property. If that is blocked, my lord, my position will be very difficult. That's the reason. Otherwise, my lord, I paying the amount and giving an undertaking.
How much you get rent from that?
My lords,
How much rent you get from that premises?
that I have to check and.
Tomorrow you check. Tomorrow you tell the.
Because if my lords, so far as 1,20,000 is the rent which you are getting out of that property.
Because of the rent of 1,20,000 you get out of it, you will be paying 1.5 crore
No,
per,
that is not
and it's
my-
coming in your way.
My lords may kindly appreciate if my writ
It is
petition
not
is.
even your residential premises.
My lord, if my writ petition is taken up, one second. My lord, if my writ petition is taken up, my lord, I have produced the work orders, all government work orders. My lord, there is nearly 100 crores due, which is due from the government. That's the reason, my lord, he is a bona fide customer. For that reason, my lord, I'm watching for that customer. Otherwise, my lord, if it was somebody else, I would have simply withdrawn the writ petition and filed before DRT. So far as this particular client is concerned, my lord, I can, for that reason, I'm watching so much that he will definitely pay. After, my lord, NPA, he has almost paid now 6.5 crore rupees. As per the interim orders, as and when directed by this court.
An undertaking affidavit is filed before the court stating that within 6 months they'll pay the entire amount. Land counsel appearing for the bank seeks time to get instructions. This is matter tomorrow.
Please.
Get instructions
My lord,
with regard to
DD.
With regard to this redelivery of the property. Any conditions to be imposed in the
Yes,
interest
that
of
I am
the
ready,
bank?
my lord.
Next installment.
By my lords, may one submission.
We'll see tomorrow. Yes.
Because I handed over the DD, my lord, 1 crore.
Yes.
That may be
The
recorded.
land counsel for the petitioner has handed over the DD for an amount of rupees 1 crore to the counsel for the respondent. Yes, next.
Because let my learned friend doesn't get me wrong. The reason why I am, my lord, I'm little bit susceptible is day before yesterday when I gave an undertaking that I will deposit 1 crore. My lord, I will not give it to the court. My learned friend might take his bank manager's messages which he has sent. He says that today morning he will take his house possession also. These kind of messages, my lord, for that reason he underwent heart attack also. My lord, he weighs around 130 kgs. One small tension, my lord, stress, it will put him into a lot of this thing. For that reason, I am submitting. He has given continuous threat through messages. He's telling that even if you deposit 1 crore, we will take your house possession.
For taking it too personally, that's not required. They should do it about how they, it's an official duty for them. Don't take it personally and do this kind of harassment when that too matter is pending. When the court asked him to file an undertaking affidavit, that's not right on his part.
Yesterday,
Yes, tell him, please advise him. Yes, next.
Oblige.
Admit, course of final hearing, call for the
Appearing
DCI.
for petitioner,
My lord.
appellant, 24 my lord.
Yes.
This is case of injury, death my lord. I have filed.
No, we'll hear it on a Friday. I'm taking up
Please,
all
ma'am.
these matters on Friday.
Please.
They shall give the date.
Please.
My lord, I have seen this hearing. Can you give me a short gate, man? Come back.
What matter, when do you want?
Sorry, ma'am.
When do you want?
I have come all the way
That's what I'm asking you. When do you want the date?
next week, any.
List the matter on 9th of April. Yes.
Obliged.
That passed over matter of. Yes.
Before the petitioners council. Last 2-3 hearing dates in September as well as the previous order of this court has noted that R2, the whole controversy is that they do not have a registered mortgage, but they are now seeking to bring a property that is now owned by me to sale by saying they have a charge over it. Court has asked them, this court as well as coordinate bench asked them, place that. Till date, they have not placed it. They have taken time to place that. You'll have to please see the previous order.
You submitted that the whole issue is whether there is a registered mortgage deed in favor of R2. You submitted with the land counsel for the petition that earlier extensively arguments were heard before the coordinate bench. R2 has come up with objections, instructions whether there is a registered mortgage deed or not. Today, there is no representation on behalf of R2. Yes.
Court also be kind enough to see this same submission is. 1 minute, sir. I'm pointing something out to the court. You can't stop me. Previously in September also this has been pointed out. To the court.
Which bank? Huh? Huh.
As per the body, assigned notice to everyone appeared and nobody come forward to make it. Then the honorable DRT was not to pass judgment with the along with interest. When I filed before the recovery officer for the resolution for recovery of home, you were coming different things. This property already surrendered. The lease surrendered all these things the same year. In this case, the detail of they made fraud was after having the mortgage with us, behind on tag, without issuing notice to me, without making publication to the public, the surrender is to them. This is one point. And one more thing, the petitioners have right. Why not appear before the DRT? But it has to appear before the proper court. To approach the setters of paper with you. You are making we are having a 20 crores due. Now it's maybe 30 crores after having guarantee.
Let's not go into all that. A particular property you want to attach in pursuant to the orders passed by the DRT. That property belongs to whom?
The property belongs to the BPL company.
Huh?
BPL company. They have got.
No.
Who is he?
He has got the lesser.
Is that?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, my learned friend's got his facts mixed up completely. Let me assess the court. 1992, there is a lease deed executed by BPL Engineering in favor of my vendors. In 2000 and 2001, apparently a loan is sanctioned to BPL. There is a hypothecation agreement that is registered, no quarrel about this, but there is no reference in the Form 8 to the registration of this property. There is a memorandum of entry that again doesn't mention this. Now the question is, the deed of lease was surrendered in favor of my vendors in 2005. And thereafter, I purchased it on the same day from my vendors. Because I said there's a registered lease, you please cancel that. Because I did my due diligence. No registered charge is
No,
found.
your vendor has leased the property to that BPA.
No. BPL had executed a lease. That
Who is the
I'm
owner
sorry,
of
I
the
stand
property?
corrected. The BPL was the lessee. BPL was the lessee. That stood released by BPL.
After that, the property is sold to you. by
The
your
property
vendor.
is sold to me.
When was it sold to you?
It was sold to me on 16/5/2005. What is important is that in October 2005, winding up proceedings against BPL were initiated by somebody else. Nothing to do with me, nothing to do with my vendor. Independent of that, and 4 years later, upon possibly divine realization dawning on the bank initiates DRT proceedings in an OA against BPL.
Which year?
This is in 2009, January 2009, 4 years after the winding up petition is filed. The DRT allows the OA, apparently not contested, because within 2009 itself they got a recovery certificate. But in 2012, and this is important, there is a winding up order passed against that company, against BPL. In the company court, and that petition, the winding up order has been advertised by paper publication in terms of the company court's rules. The learned official liquidator is also notified and their counsel is also on record. There is a specific order of this court, a coordinate bench of this court, sitting as company court, where the same bank seeks the same property and that's been rejected on the ground that there is no charge. Despite that, what they seek to do, and that's when I find out around that time about there is this advertisement, I come before this court. In 2015, I come before the court when they try to bring that property to sale. What have they brought to sale in the auction is apparently leasehold rights, which were long since surrendered. The original lease period also comes to an end in another 3 years. Now they are still saying, because BPL owes us money, you should give up your land. This is completely without any right or jurisdiction, is my respectful submission.
One more thing is,
Yes.
when an order is passed for the DRT.
Yes.
When you provided.
I was not a party.
You are not a party.
Correct.
When you are not a party, that should have been questioned before the DRT itself.
There is a reason for this. The reason is very simply this. It is completely without jurisdiction that the DRT can pass an order against a third party's property. And the difficulty is this. Today, I don't have a right to challenge anything other than to come in a writ petition for the important reason that the company is in winding up. Now, without approaching this honorable court in a writ petition, I am therefore stuck into no person's land. Company court, I must point out this order of this coordinate bench of this court, noticing that there is no charge against the very same bank. And my learned friend still says that order was not challenged by them to the best of our knowledge. This court has noticed that there is no charge. May I point out that order to the court? And let me not be interrupted, sir, please. You finished your submissions, please wait. Let me point out from the memo dated 6/8. My learned friend should be a little careful in what he says and not interrupt me, please. There is a limit. There is a limit. There is a limit. My lord, please see order dated 6/8/2025. Memo dated 6/8/25. Please see the application.
Yes.
Please see the application filed by Jammu and Kashmir Bank.
Page number.
This is 6/8/25's memo. Please see page 2.
Page 2.
Please. This is the application filed by R2.
Page number.
Page 2 is where the application begins of the memo. Memo dated 6/8/2025.
Memo dated 6/8.
6/8/2000.
6/8/2025. Yes, I'm very grateful.
Compilation. వచ్చిందే.
Yes.
Please be kind enough to see paragraph 17 at ink page 8. This is the statement made by them. And I want to point this out because they have dodged the question posed by this court on multiple occasions. There is.
We'll hear this matter in the afternoon, so that I'll be completing the list.
I'm grateful.
It will take time.
I'm grateful.
No.
And I may not earlier afternoon. And tomorrow.
Then no argue. I'll hear.
Grateful. May I just point out paragraph 17 of that application, page 8. It is submitted at the time of creation of securities by the borrower company, that is BPL. The registration of charge was done manually and individually. Acknowledgement was obtained by the lenders, which has made it difficult to ascertain the registration of the charge of the bank with ROC in absence of Form A. It is further submitted that during computerization of the records at ROC, a lot of records have been misplaced and the same is the cause of proof of charge in favor of the bank is not available with the ROC. However, in view of the records narrated supra, it is crystal clear that applicant bank is having a charge upon the immobile assets as well. This includes my property. Please see the prayer that's at page 9. Wherefore, it is prayed that this honorable court be pleased to direct the official liquidator to consider the charge created by the first respondent in favor of the applicant bank, which has been duly adjudicated by the Debts Recovery Tribunal in OA number so and so, and further direction be issued to the OL attached to the honorable court to consider the claim as per so and so so and so. Please be kind enough to see the statement of objections filed by the official liquidator that begins at page 12. Please permit me to show the court page 13, paragraph 3.
Yes.
Please see this. That it is noticed in the term loan agreement dated 4/1/2001, Annexure D2 and Form 8 bearing document number so and so filed on so and so. Annexure E, in the present application, property situated at survey number 13/5H, old number so and so, and some other property in Sangareddy district in question raised is not found. It is neither in the loan agreement nor in the Form 8. Further, from Form 8, it is crystal clear that term loan facility for sum of rupees 10 crore sanctioned only on security of movable assets of the company in liquidation, and statements made in paragraph 17 are misleading. Please permit me to also, the next paragraph deals with that hypothecation which I mentioned to the court. Then please permit me to show the court the order passed by this court, page 16. In their application, please see paragraph 4 at page 18. I'm sorry, may I just also show the court para 2 at page 17. It is contended by the applicant bank through its business unit so and so sanctioned term loan facility to the tune of 10 crores for financial restructuring of the borrower BPL Engineering Company in liquidation in the year 2000. It is submitted that the charge under section 125 was registered in favor of the bank pursuant to instrument of hypothecation agreement executed in 2001 relating to movables. Same is alleged to be not registered regarding immobile property, more particularly pursuant to the order of the DRT. Para 4. Be that as it may, it is apparent that no such registration is made under section 125 of the Act regarding immobile properties for creating charge, which is mandatory. Hence, the applicant can avail the remedy available in terms of section 125 and thereafter move the official liquidator. The remedy under 125 is to apply for a belated filing of charge. That has not been done by them till date. This order is binding on them because it is in respect of the same property. Today, what they are doing is effectively re-agitate this. This order has attained finality and it is passed in 2019. If this is so, my respectful submission is, and specifically the question put by this honorable court both in September last year as well as by this bench is to produce a document that has already been answered by the coordinate bench And yet today that is not sought to be answered, and instead some other explanation is sought to be given. This is really the short point. Now, if they do not have a registered charge, my respectful submission is that the writ petition as it was presented deserves to be allowed for the short reason that there is no registered charge in view of this judgment of the coordinate bench. This order has attained finality and there is nothing further that remains, is my respectful submission. That is what I want to point out to the court.
Yes. Who are you? You're representing whom? It's a consortium of banks. Take it from him. Synopsis is there. Yes. Yes.
This memorandum of entry has been executed by one of the banks. And this memorandum of entry is not yet for all the banks.
Let's see the
I just read one.
synopsis. What is it?
Retail Engineering Limited, whether various trade facilities, both unpaid and non-paid, from the bank and Karnataka, mortgage in the scheduled property. Retail Engineering Limited, whether one of the central from Human Partner Bank and Company Financial Center. Retail Engineering Limited, rated in charge in ROC in respect of the scheduled property.
That is what is the question? Where is that? Where is this charge? Yes.
J&K Bank filed OI number 0.4, Bangalore against Retail Engineering to recover the amount due to the bank. The other financial institutions, members of the consortium bank, are arraigned as a defendant on two counts. Yes, but the DRT, OI and defendant number 1, 2, 3, that is the company and its officers to pay the bank the sum of 19 crores 47 lakhs interest, joint tax settlement. The DRT has also given liberty to recover the amount from the OI scheduled property, subject to rights and independence number 4 company. The DRT has issued the recovery certificate number 750 of 2012. One of the scheduled property is the provided is the property where is survey number 30 irrigations situated in Oman village, Jaipur Hobri, Bangalore Total, Bangalore district, which is jointly owned by M.N. Panchalingam and M.N. Prakash and M.N. Kumar. The report officers, DRT Bangalore, permission of sale, after the sale, to sell the above property at Kokanandi and 96 for recovery of the sum of 2 crores. Against the issuance of the above notice, the petitioner has filed a present writ petition, raising various requests to order passed by the DRT, OI number 2/2009, to the extent of direction given. That is, further, the African bank is required to recover the same from the refinance monastery and also from the property shown in OI schedule and to pass proclamation of sale. The action notice published in the dated 0.4. The petitioner has contended that they are the approved owner of the above property by virtue of the security dated executed by M.N. Panchalingam, M.N. Prakash and M.N. Kumar. An agreement of lease was made between M.N. Panchalingam, Prakash and Kumar, joint owners of the above property and Retail Engineering Limited to lease the said property along with building structures and other constructions and the terms and conditions including payment of rent, etc. The lease is for a period of 38 years, that is from 31/12/2029. One of the terms and conditions agreement is that the rights of these right to the leasehold rights in respect of the above property to any bank or finance institution, including express consent or approval of the lessors and including exposing the lessors to any liability whatsoever. By virtue of the settled clause in the lease agreement, Retail Engineering mortgage the leasehold rights of the scheduled property to K&K Bank and other consortium members of the bank for every trade. Retail Engineering limited deed of surrender of lease. This is very important. Mortgage is fruitful by a better day. Retail Engineering, in fact, without the knowledge of the consortium bank, executed deed of surrender of lease and surrender in their leasehold rights before the enjoy of the impaired. And clearly, the lease deed has been executed. Clearly, that executed by the lessor in favor of the petition. Yes,
Detail Limited has ever grown by not using the process. Detail Engineering Limited was owned up and they are appointed.
Please come to that agreement. Please come to that agreement. Hypothecation of agreement is hypothecation of goods to the secure term. Where is that? Is a company the owner of the property? Where is the document between the BPL and the original landlord? The landowner. Now, a party, whoever has rights with him, he can enter into an agreement with you. What are his rights? Basing on which document you have entered into this memorandum of entry with him? Where is that? Now, there is a lease between that company, and the original owner. And basing on that right, unless and until that person gives a right to this person till 2029 or whatever, you can't have the rights. So where is that? Without looking at that document, how can you enter into, and how this will be binding on the owner? You have to file all this before this court.
We have placed it.
You are representing the court, you are representing the bank here. Court will not go to OA, the DRT, and get all the documents. Have you filed your objections at least?
No.
Then how can you argue all this? Are you not supposed to file your objections? Why? Why should we wait till when did you file your wakalat? Then you have lost your right to file your objections within 45 days. No right for you to file. Well, what is this going on from the last half an hour? Without even filing objections, court is hearing, wasting court's time of valuable time of the court. And bank should have, you're making submission on behalf of the bank. Is it not a crucial aspect? You're relying on, you're saying that so and so has entered into a lease, given that 29 years, whatever the leasehold rights of that. What is his agreement with the original lessee? Then I'll say, then we'll impose costs on this bank for wasting the court's time. And how many times the courts have to tell them to file their objections, to place the mortgage and all? Why they are not doing it? Repeatedly, this court and the coordinate bench of this court has directed the Jammu Kashmir Bank to file the objections and also the mortgage deed. The other bank, which bank you are representing? The consortium of banks. In the consortium of banks, others have filed their objections. But unfortunately,
nobody's filed objections. My learned friends only filed a synopsis of submissions.
This has filed the synopsis. The Karnataka, the Jammu Kashmir Bank, who is the contesting respondent in this writ petition, has not even filed the objections. This writ petition is of the year 2015.
Please.
Then I'll allow this writ petition. Assuming, considering whatever he says is correct, I'll allow the writ petition.
We've placed the lease deed and the surrender of lease deed for the court's consideration. We've placed it.
Is this matter on 8th of April? By that time, the objection shall be filed by all the respondents, whoever want to contest this writ petition. And if the objections with the relevant documents are not filed by the said date, the writ petition will be allowed. This court has heard the arguments of the learned counsel for the petitioner, and after that, when the court is asking, when the court has specifically asked the respondent, the response is that they have not filed the objections. This is very unfortunate.
Please request for.
And I'll tell, next time, whoever is not filing the objections, I will not hear those respondents.
May I please request for 10th instead of 8th? 8th, I have two parter, 8th and 9th are some parted matter. 10th instead of 8th.
Not possible, it is a Friday. Or else either you can have it on
13th if it is-
9th or 16th.
I'll stick to 8th. If
8th not possible.
If 13th is possible, I'll be very grateful.
13th there is some.
It's a Monday.
Yes, it's a holiday.
Oh, I'm sorry. 14th if it's not.
14th is a holiday.
I'm so sorry. Very well, I leave it to the court. Let it be any date that the court indicates.
Yes,
I'll
15th.
Grateful.
Counsel for the respondent is present, no representation on behalf of the petitioner. List this matter for dismissal tomorrow.
Appearing for a petition.
I said tomorrow.
The 29.
28.
Yes.
28.
28.
Twenty-nine who appears?
So, Your Lordship, 29 is infectious, Lordship. We had challenged CJM order. The position has been taken. The petition starts infectious.
Has become infectious.
Has become infectious.
It is submitted that they've questioned the order passed under section 14 of the Surface Act and the position is taken by the bank. Hence, this petition has become infectious. Accordingly, dismissed as infectious. Yes, next.
For the petitioner, my lord. Lord, kindly seek 2 weeks adjournment, my lord.
Huh?
I seek 2 weeks adjournment, my lord.
Why?
And the personal inconvenience for senior, my lord. Inconvenience for senior, my lord. Is out of station.
Then I will not extend the interim order. I'll adjourn this matter. I'll not extend the interim order. Take your own time.
2 weeks adjournment.
22 matters. You are enjoying the stay from the last 4 years. When the matters come up, all standard request. Senior not well, personal inconvenience, matter has to be adjourned. Because there is stay, you don't want the matter to be, you don't want the court to hear the matter.
One last adjournment.
This is matter on 16th of April, no further adjournments. Interim order earlier granted is extended till then. Give the file. I think tomorrow is MFA day. Wherever I said tomorrow, make it on first. Tell the advocates also. Wherever matters are given tomorrow, all matters on either first or second. Because tomorrow is MFA day. One minute. If you just look at the prayer. When you request the order dated respondent number 1, issued by respondent number 2, and allotment letters. No representation on behalf of the petitioner. Counsel the respondent is present. List this matter for dismissal on 22nd April. Huh? Anyhow, no, they are not there. I will not extend the interim order today. I am not extending it today. When they are not there, I will not extend. No, don't extend. Yes, 32.
My lords, as per 13-2 notice, my lord, demand notice, total outstanding is 31,65,000, my lord. The notice issued on 27/6/2022. Plus on 29/8/2022, I have deposited 13,95,000, my lords. As on today, my lords, there is 29,89,000 and odd is the due, my lords. May be permitted 3 months time, my lords. I will clear the entire loan amount.
Then counsel for the respondent shall give the details about the outstanding amount to the, huh? Whatever it is, you give it to him.
I'm
Shall give what is the outstanding, shall give the particulars with regard to the outstanding amount. And it is submitted with the land counsel for the petitioner that they are ready to pay the amount within 3 months. The petitioner shall come up with an undertaking affidavit in that regard. When will you file?
So next week, Malad, sir.
This is a matter on 2nd. You knew you were getting it. You have waited for 3 long years.
20% I'm deposited as per the
Saying
interim.
3 months. If not, I will impose. I'll say that if they fail to comply, 10 lakhs costs.
Obliged.
Yes.
Petitioners or the societies, my lord, has been granted with a license, my lord, to run an FUD point, my lord.
Have you
With a
filed your
lot-
objections?
Yes, sir.
Learned APA submits that the objections are ready. The same shall be filed by 9th of April. This is matter on 16th.
Interim order may be continued.
Interim order earlier granted is extended. Yes, 34.
Obliged.
Account is closed. It is submitted by both the councils that the account is closed, hence nothing survives for consideration district petition. Dismissed as infructuous. Yes, 35.
Petitioners, my lord. And, I have a memo of calculation, my lord. If the respondent given a details, my lord, I'll clear the entire loan, my lord. And the memo of, as per the directions of this honorable court, my lord, I paid 31 lakhs 65,000, my lord. And as per the impugned order, my lord, 78 lakhs have to pay, my lord. And the respondent bank also filed OA before the DRT, my lord. That is also pending, seeking, demanding 93 lakhs, my lord. Let them come up with the correct details, my lord. I will instruct to client to repay the entire loan.
Oh, why should the court tell them to do all
No,
that?
my lord, I have no.
Can't your client ask him what are the
My
details you want?
lord, my party along with the council visited several times to the bank, my lord, to furnish the details, my lord. The bank is not furnishing, my lord. Or else I would have requested the bank officials to clear the
Oh,
loan.
you're enjoying an interim order from 2023. What is this? What is questioned before this court? Please come to that. Huh? Where is your senior? Ask him to come pass over.
My lord, out of 115 lakhs, my lord, 108 lakhs
We'll see
repaid.
when the council comes. Yes, pass over.
We appear for petitions.
My lords, in this case,
What was the urgency for this? It is mentioned.
the urgency for this is, my lords, R11 and the petitioners, both of us want to set up a sugar factory. Now, there was already one person who was existing there in 2010 who got the license first. I had made the application even prior to that person, but for some reason mine was kept pending. His went through, he got a license to set up the sugar factory. Now, in 2019, that license came to be derecognized by the Chief Director Sugars, New Delhi. He challenged that continuously, 2-3 litigations happened, and in 2025, I'm given to understand, it has been completely derecognized. Now, that was the first applicant. In 2010, like I said to my lords, I had made my first application, despite which the other person got the license. Now, after the derecognition, I come as serial number 2 in the application, in the applicant list, in the procedural manner. My application ought to have been taken next. Now, for some reason in 2018, another person called Indian Cane Power, ICPL, Indian Cane Power Limited, they make an application for a distance certificate. There are certain procedures that they have to follow to set up sugar factory. One is taking a distance certificate. Within 30 days, you go to the DPIIT authorities in Delhi and take a license, which is called a Industrial Entrepreneur Memoranda, IEM. Now, they take a distance certificate in June of 2019 and their IEM comes to be given to them. For some reason, there are several litigations which have happened since 2010 onwards till 2019 amongst these three. Now, the third applicant who now got the license to set up the sugar factory, he files a writ in the High Court without making me a party, obtains a mandamus directing the authorities to consider his representation for issuance of distance certificate. Now, in the meanwhile, there is a distance certificate issued to me by the Geospatial Data Center in 2010 itself. After that, the Kane Commissioner ought to have issued the distance certificate to me, which he doesn't do for whatever reasons. Now, this third person, ICPL, now has got a license. Now, my problem with that is why I came in a writ petition, because I was not made aware of the writ petition that he filed and obtained a mandamus, because he didn't make me a party. Now, when he filed the writ petition, he filed it on 3/6/2019. Within a matter of 25 days, 28/6/2019, I have filed a writ petition here. Now, in my writ petition, I make them a party. Now, my lords will be aware that when I make parties to the writ petition, unless I serve a copy of the writ petition to them, I am not permitted to file the writ petition. So I have already furnished a copy of the writ petition to them, and before their writ petition, in which they get a mandamus, is disposed of in July, they are made aware that there is such a writ petition filed by me, despite which they don't make me a party. I am not aware about that writ petition. Now, my only submission to my lords is there are decisions of this of the Supreme Court also which say as to how this processual arrangement has to be taken up. Who comes first in line? Now, after the second party, that is Someshwara Sugars, lost his right to set up a sugar factory, it is me who comes next in the processual arrangement, because my application was even prior to that Someshwara's. And I have made this fact clear to the Kane Commissioner in March itself of 2019. I request the Kane Commissioner in March saying, please take my application and clearances which were given by the single window clearance committee in Karnataka. There's a single window clearance which gives all clearance of licenses and other industrial licenses. So I made an application that was clear to me. Now, despite that, the Kane Commissioner writes to me and says, no, nothing can be given to you because this Someshwara, the second party who lost the right to set up the sugar factory, his IEM, his license is still in existence. That is what they tell me in March. But in May, the third party's ICPL's request is taken forward. For some reason, because there are some powerful people involved in that third party's board of directors. And the second party board of directors and third party board of directors, there is certain commonality. Whoever now the third party wants to set up the sugar factory and the second party who lost its right to set it up are the same. Powerful people sitting here opposite to the High Court. Now, for some reason, my only submission therefore before my lords. Now, if my lords would permit me, can I hand over a convenience compilation, because I will take my lords through all these High Court judgments and litigation that has happened.
Before the judgments, please come to the prayer in your.
Grateful. 22. Page number 22. We had filed an amended writ petition.
The communication dated 12/7/2023 by the respondent number 7. Then another communication dated 28/7.
Hello, sir. Gautam, sir.
Yes.
In
Yes,
your
please.
office, there is lot of disturbances.
Okay, madam. I'm just.
No, what? Sorry, my lords, I just have one more thing to submit. What the Kane Commissioner does in 2023.
You have amended the writ petition. There are any other further prayers?
Yes.
Well, subsequently, I appear for respondent number
in my
11.
earlier writ petition, I have not finished submissions, Gautam.
No, I just
In my
want to
earlier
make one
writ
preliminary submission to the
In my
court.
earlier writ petition, my lords, I had not challenged their IEM. The license which was issued to the third party, I had not challenged. Therefore, I had to amend the writ petition. Now that prayer has been added. Now prayer A and B, if my lords see, there are two letters that the commissioner writes to me in 2023 saying the permissions given to me in 2010 have expired. After a period of 13 years, an authority who has not given me permissions tells me that they have expired after a lapse of 13 years.
We'll hear this in the afternoon.
My lords, may I only make one request, my lords. I appear for respondent number 11. My lords, today I have been granted an IAM, but my lords, annexure A and B, which is impugned, my lords, that is the order of the state government. I have filed my detailed objections. My lords, it is for the state to file their counter. Till today, the state has not filed its counter. My lords, this matter was filed in 23 office objections not cleared till the last date of hearing. It's coming. My lords, my only request would be if it may be taken up on any clear date next.
Have you filed your objections?
My lord,
I have filed, my lords.
comprehensive
I am
objection.
respondent 11. I have filed.
As far as the state is concerned, 4, 7 and 9, I'll file the comprehensive objections, my lord.
Let them file their objections. I have no problem. Can I make a request? Till they file their objections, let there be status quo. Let
My lords,
nobody
from
act on anything.
23, there is no office
Till my
objection.
lords decides on this issue.
23
I'll
office
take my lords
objections
through all
not
the documents.
cleared.
I'll show as to how
Today,
this,
my lords, they
how
moved the
R11.
court.
Can you file your objection?
My lord, week's time, my lord, I'll file that thereafter
Matter on,
15th April, my lord, because,
on 21st of April.
yes, my lord.
By the time.
I'll file the comprehensive objections, including the amended petition.
AGA shall file the objections.
My lords, could I request for 23rd if it's not
That is
inconvenient? My lords, could I request
Sorry, my
for
lords.
23rd if it's not inconvenient?
That day I'll hear the matter.
My lords will hear, but status quo. Let them not act on anything.
What is not
2023
being,
matter.
granted from 23 will.
No, my lords, the reason, may I just point?
Even if something is done by them, that we can, if some, it is not correct, we can always reverse it. Yes.
No, there is.
My lords, could I only request for 23rd if it's not
My
inconvenient?
lords, there is Supreme Court.
Could I request for,
37.
my lords, could I request in this matter, could I request for 23rd, my lords? If it's not inconvenient?
When was it? What is it?
My lords is given
21st.
21st, could I only request for
Yes,
20?
it's 23rd.
Yes, sir, it is on
Please
23rd.
come, please appear physically before the court.
Grateful.
My lord, let at least R11, just one request. Let R11 not precipitate the matter.
My lords, I'm constructing my factory. I've invested huge amounts.
Grateful.
Yes.
Cell number 37.
Appear for,
Petitioner.
appear for respondent, my lord. Senior counsel held up in Dharwad High Court, my lord. Raise time short.
You have an interim order in this.
No, my lords.
This is matter
But the date may be
on 9th of June.
with a shorter date, my
Number
lords.
38, adjourn.
39.
Cell number 39. 39.
Appearing for petitioners, your
Ismail
lordship.
Sabiullah.
As per the order of 7/8, your lordship, of this honorable court, we were supposed to pay 19,77,000.
Where is the counsel for the bank?
We have paid entire amount, your lordship. There's no due on that.
Where is the counsel? Counsel of the petition is present. No representation on behalf of the respondent. If on the next occasion there is no representation, the writ petition will be allowed on the ground. This is matter on 28th of April.
Grateful.
Cell number 40.
Look at it if there is interim order.
Cell number 40.
40.
Ravi
Your
Shankar.
lordship, may I request short date, your lordship? May I request a short date?
No, shorter than that is not possible. There are so many matters. Yes.
Appear for the respondent. I'd like to represent Mr. Ravi Shankar, my lord, in this matter, item number 40. My lord, while the writ petition regarding OTS is pending before this honorable court and objections have been filed, now, my lord, on 24/2,
So you have to convince the court how the writ petition is maintainable.
my lord, only on the ground of OTS rejection being a non-speaking order, number one. It doesn't contain any calculation as to how they arrived at a figure of 11 crores, which is an offer from the side of the HUDCO. While my proposal for 4 crore 25 lakhs was denied. Total
How can all those will be decided by this court?
on the sole ground of arbitrariness and non-speaking order.
So you could have,
I'm
you could have
conscious.
gone to the, you could have gone to the, what is questioned before this court?
It was withdrawn. Same
One
notice was
minute.
withdrawn. Page number 46,
The
my lord.
OA number
46.
119 of 2011.
No,
2011 order is questioned. When is the order?
2011
Date of order?
2011 writ petition, my lord, has been withdrawn. 2021,
No,
my lord,
this is-
withdrawn.
You're questioning in an order passed by the DRT in OA number 119 of 2011.
That is the second.
Dated 18th August 2015.
Yes.
So how can you question an order of 2015 in 2025?
I'll explain. You know, 2015, my lord, DRT passes an order against me. I'll take a minute, my lord, to set the background so far as the commercials are concerned. Total loan sanctioned was 2 crore.
Without going into the merits of it, why are you questioning? Why did you keep quiet from 2015? And why are you before this court in 2025 after 10 years?
My lord,
That's the first step. First you answer
Yes,
on that, then we'll go to the
my lord,
merits of the
subsequent to the decree of this the DRT, I have made a proposal for OTS before the bank, which have been communications have been on with the bank. In 2021, my lord, my final communication regarding settlement by way of OTS has not been acted upon by the bank. It is then, my lord, then I was constrained to file a writ petition in 2021.
I don't think that can be a ground for
My
the
lord,
court to
at-
consider.
my lord, at that-
For example, a suit is decreed. You feel that after 10 years, you are agreed by it, can an appeal lie against that?
Strictly no, strictly no. But my lord, at the time of filing 2021 writ petition, the position was it was only seeking consideration. And when my application was considered and a non-speaking order dated 19/3/2025,
What is it question?
19/3 is question now, my lord, in the fresh writ petition. Because 2021 writ
Why are
petition,
you questioning before this court? Please come to your prayer.
yes, my lord. Where, my lord, 18 and
Questioning the
19.
order passed in OA number 119 of 2011.
18 and 19, my lord, my lords will kindly see.
Page 18, 19. DRT order.
Second prayer, my lord. 18, my lord, is
Modify the order dated 18/8/2015 passed by the DRT. Either A or C can be by this court.
my lord, second.
Coming to B,
Yes.
Yes. Now, when the Supreme Court itself says that we can't directly issue a one-time settlement, when then one-time settlement is rejected, why are we interfering?
My lord, my only point for consideration by this honorable court is, let there be a speaking order so far as my rejection is concerned. I am conscious, my lord, that OTS scheme cannot be questioned in the court. Courts will not interfere in the commercial transactions. Yes. So far as the arbitrary nature of the rejection,
Where is this communication dated 19/3/2025?
19/3, my lord, is at page 63.
Yes.
Cryptic order, my lord,
Yes, please read that.
63, my lord. Annexure G.
Yes, read it.
Please refer to your letters dated so and so 24/24 with regard to the request for settlement of HUDCO loan outstanding by OTS. In this regard, we would like to inform that your request for settlement under OTS has not been accepted by our competent authority. In view of the same, it is requested to pay the loan outstanding amount as per DRT
But
decree.
in every proposal of OTS, there would be a detailed order by the bank.
No, in this particular case, Lord, kindly see the
And,
enhancement
and
from
that apart, again is this, what is this respondent?
HUDCO.
HUDCO, what is,
Housing Urban Development.
it's a finance company.
The Government of India enterprise. Union of India won't say it. It's a Housing Development Corporation. And taxpayers' money is diverted as loan, and they are sitting pretty on our loan and they are not discharging loan. And
Not
they
my-
say one OTS. OTS are also, they are not realizable proportion. It has been rejected because there is no follow-up. Even today, they have not paid 1 rupee. 4 crores and odd is due.
No, 12 crores and odd.
At that time, today it has grown into this. And the asset is not that's valuable. So only the rule guideline issued by RBI is, if this value of the security is more, go for OTS. If the value of the security is less and the outstanding dues is more, don't go for OTS. Is RBI circular.
No, please show me one judgment or any other communication that when the respondents are rejecting your OTS proposal, they have to give you a reasoned order.
No, reasoned or
Now, they have a business policy. As per that, if it fits in, they will say yes. If it is not, they will say no,
Right.
because you have no say in that. You cannot say about any equal treatment or arbitrariness in that,
I am
because
not-
it's their policy.
I am not on equal treatment, my lord. I am also not drawing the attention of this one to the commercials. My earlier proposals, which were, my lord, pending consideration by the respondent authority, being a state under Article 12, which were amounting to 4.25 crores. Now, my lord, by rejecting that proposal, kindly see the last but penultimate line, my lord. loan outstanding as on February 2025 calculated as per the decree is 10 crores 99 lakhs, close to 11 crores. This calculation, my lord, is not explained because as per me, my calculation, my lord, is only 4.25. My lord, escalation of more than 50.
That is not the business
More
of
than,
this
my lord,
court. That you have to go to the bank and whatever is the mechanism that is available.
May I?
Go to the ombudsman, go to the reserve
may
bank.
I make a small,
My lord's view is endorsed by Supreme,
Let
latest
him-
decision of
let him
Supreme Court.
complete. Yes.
yes. My lord, may I make a small request, my lord? I seek the indulgence of this honorable court. I'll make a fresh application before the respondent. Seeking, giving my calculation and seeking how 11 crores has been arrived. Let them consider and pass a final order. Let them, in fact, my lord,
They will, no, pending this only I'll ask them to give you. I'll not pass any direction.
in fact,
So,
no, in fact, my lord,
as far as 11 crores are concerned, how you have arrived at that figure that is outstanding, please furnish the details to him. That is sufficient. Break up.
Yes, 46 for the ladies. I'll help though, but we'll give him the memo to.
That's it. I'll not pass any order.
my lord, total disbursed loan amount is only 1 crore.
Readily it's available here. I'll pass it on to him.
Yes,
The
what is that?
breakup of the amount.
Take that.
And the judgment to the, your lordship's views is endorsed by the Supreme Court in this Arvind Electronics.
Take that.
You must always give 2 copies. And he asked me to read where they all read.
Give it to him.
Yes, please.
Please have a look at that. And you have the information, whatever you want to go.
Well, I'm asking myself a
But the
question.
court
What is
will
the
not
right?
interfere.
I ask myself a question. What is the right to the borrower to, when he knows what he has borrowed and the rate of interest is contract rate?
May I make a small request? Okay, it will take note
Let's this
tomorrow.
matter, yes, tomorrow. Yes, next. MFA day. Let it come on 8th,
My lord,
not 8th, 9th April.
my lord, difficulty is, now by way of an IA, we have questioned the tender notification dated 24/2/2026.
We can't. I'll not interfere.
I'll-
And tomorrow it is not possible for the reason tomorrow is a MFA day.
My lord, I only,
And because.
I'm stretching my request, my lord. I know I'm being unreasonable. Let
No,
there be an order.
But the fact is, I'm not going to pass any order in your favor. Even after you verify it also, I'm not going to pass any order. So if I take it tomorrow, day after tomorrow, it doesn't make any difference.
Being conscious of being unreasonable, my lord, I'll make a small request for consideration. To show my bona fides, because the complaint from the learned senior counsel is that I'd never shown any my bona fides by making any payment. Now, my lord, 10 or 15% of the tender amount, which is 11 crores, I'll make a deposit. In the meantime, my lord, let them consider my application. Within 3 weeks, let them pass orders. I'll not, my lord, I'll make it part of my record submission, my lord. I'll not claim equity subsequent to that.
No,
I'll not claim.
that's what the Supreme Court said that the High Court shouldn't do. Yes.
Please. 9th.
Yes.
Question number 41.
My lord,
Anumantappa
for the
Harare.
petitioner, my lord, when this is OTS, my lord, the petitioner had filed another petition, my lord, WP number 4834/26. In that petition, my lord, the petitioner have filed undertaking affidavit to clear the debt in 6 months, my lord. Both this matter along with the my lord, WP number 4834/2026.
List along with that.
There are 2 more petitions pending.
Give all the number.
Please.
List along with so and so on 9th. Give the numbers.
Read from there.
Question number 42. 42, Kavita D.
Where is Ms. Divya Purandar?
Divya Purandar.
No representation on behalf of both the parties. This is matter for dismissal. Whenever you pose a matter for dismissal, don't extend interim order. Only on adjournment, extend the interim order. This is matter on 21st.
Question number 43. 43, Bharat Kumar V.
Respondent finance company. Filed my objections also.
This
The
petition
property
is
situated-
filed against Autumn Investment and Infrastructure Limited, which is a private company and against that a writ petition doesn't lie. Accordingly, the writ petition is in the light of so and so that Vishwabharati, accordingly the writ petition is disposed of giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedy. Same section 14. Yes, 44.
44, Rudrabhushan CB. 44,
My lords, the account is closed, my lords. I had challenged, I had asked for the extension on the Lok Adalat, but the account is closed.
It is submitted that the loan account is closed, hence nothing survives for consideration in this writ petition. In this regard, a memo is filed. Accordingly, memo is taken on record and dismissed as withdrawn.
My lord, that day a proxy had appeared. The name of Kalat has been filed now for the respondent bank. I filed it in the counter, so that may be changed.
What is your name?
Ashok Naik, I'll just give it.
So and so submits that. He has instructions to file wakalat. Yes, the council can file wakalat within 1 week from today. Yes, next 45.
45,
For the petitioners, my lord.
For the respondent,
My lord, the arguing counsel is unwell. We request for a date anytime next week.
petition has become infectious. Both the petitions have become infectious. Sale notice was challenged. Sale did not take place. So literally petition have become infectious. my lords.
Let's see what is that.
WP
Apart from that, they have questioned anything else? Give the file.
Kindly, Lordship may kindly take first petition, hold 2325 of 2026. 25 of 2026.
Second one, 45.1.
Forty-two.
What is this Vishweshwara Cooperative Bank?
It's a cooperative bank.
How
It
could
is,
there be a writ against? this
that's
cooperative?
that's the reason I'm making submission. It is not maintainable and kindly come to prayer at page 42.
Will not go to any other things. Both the writ
My lord, the
petition-
ECL notice, when we had filed, when we had taken a loan from them itself, this was, they never mentioned anything about, and when we filed this case, there was no objections placed by them regarding the maintainability of this. My lords, if it may be held
The writ
on,
petition is filed against so-and-so bank, which is a private bank, and in the light of the law laid down in so-and-so, the writ petition against this bank is not maintainable. Accordingly, writ petition disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to avail the appropriate remedy.
Both
For
the
DRT,
petitions.
Before the DRT.
Obliged.
And they shall have the
My lords,
benefit
the-
of section 14 of the Demolition Act.
Obliged.
46, K. Prasanna Shetty. Lokesh KV.
Yes.
This is acceptable petitioner.
Yes,
Challenge
Mr.
to-
Lokesh.
Lords, in this
Whenever
case-
the notice is taken, if you are not coming, your at least your colleague should have the instructions.
I was not feeling well yesterday. It's in this case, section 14 order is challenged by petitioner claiming to be a family member of my borrower. And suit is pending before civil court and
It's a joint family property. Lord, the respondent number 2 here in Lord obtained loan. Lord, on the basis of Lord, he succeeded in getting a release deed from my mother. Lord, one Anthony Pereira was the Lord, land was granted to him under the provisions of Land Reforms Act in the year 1982. He died in the year 1986.
Whatever it is,
There are
a
6.
property is mortgaged to them.
Please, my lord, it is mortgaged to them.
And,
My lord, I
your-
filed a civil suit for partition. In that suit, Canara Bank, we implemented them as a party, my lord.
Then you
They
you
appeared.
seek directions against them in that.
But there is an order, my lord, not to create any charge in the
Then
civil
file a
suit.
contempt.
But now
Take proceedings
property is
against
brought
them.
under auction, my lord, you put section 14 order is issued.
Because this
My
is,
lord,
no, please understand, High Court
Please.
is not an executing court for the
Due
civil
amount
court
is,
orders.
may I submit, my lord. Due amount is only 13 lakhs, my lord. House property is there. I am ready to, my lord, deposit 3 lakhs rupees if your lordship, my lord, granted.
Can't take money from her also.
But,
We can't interfere.
my lord,
It
here,
is- no.
even, my lord, we'll settle the entire amount if some time limit is given. I'll talk to my brother. My lord, there are 8 LRs, legal representative, my lord.
Please talk.
House
please
property
talk
is
to them.
money.
If they're ready to pay the amount, I'll dispose it of.
My lord,
But we can't, you can't say that it's a joint family. And bank being a party to the civil suit,
Please.
having an order against them, if they're doing it, file a contempt before the court.
my lord, after that, we have implemented them. Initially, my lord, I filed a suit against my brothers and sisters. Later, I came to know that, my lord, property is mortgaged and they are
Order against
auctioning
me.
property.
Hey, please talk to your brothers, all of you are ready to pay the amount and get rid of the bank. We'll adjourn it by,
Please.
when do you want? 1 week?
1 week time.
Yes,
April
this is
2nd week,
matter on
madam.
7th of April.
Please. Till then, my lord, at least let them take oral undertaking because my lord, my learned friend said, my lord, the auction date is fixed. That's why, my lord. Let him take, my lord, oral undertaking, my lord, because matter is
What
submitted.
are you taking?
No instructions.
Not to, my lord,
Why should we stop the auction?
if auction is conducted, my lord, then house, my lord, yes, my lord, my.
When is the auction?
Lord's auction is not challenged in this petition. Auction notice is issued. In fact, the brother of the petitioner had filed a writ petition before this court. Prior in the earlier sale notice published, some condition was imposed. He had complied with the condition. Let the proper borrowers come and challenge the auction sale notice. In the present petition, only section 14 is under challenge. There's no prior. There's no even averments. Let him file a separate.
How will you have the order of staying the auction without even questioning it?
But just now I came to know, my lord, from my brother.
When is the auction?
This auction is on 6th, my lords.
Oh, you have time. We'll have it on first. Come along with your brothers. If your brothers are ready, then we'll pass orders.
But other brothers are not there in touch with me. But however, my lord, this respondent number 2 here in, at least, my lord, I'll.
What is the other writ petition that's pending? Give the number also, both the petitions on first.
WP number 2130 of 2025.
First we'll have.
Please.
Whatever you can do,
2025.
please
Please.
have, negotiate with your brothers.
Please.
And only remedy to this is paying the money, nothing else.
That's all, my lord.
Yes, next.
But let it be posted on 6th only because, my lord, only short dates and lot of holidays are there. So in the meanwhile, my lord, I'll talk to
This is the auction.
Let them approach
Put it on
let them approach the bank if they want to settle. So
Please.
small loan amount.
In the meanwhile, we'll approach the bank also. My lord. 13 lakhs is the amount.
This is on 6th.
Published.
Wait.
Sale number 47 to 53 and 10, 54.
No, some WC matter was there. By mistake, he has given this number. Instead of 50, it was, okay.
Sale number 54.
Lord, I appear the petition.
17 4. All matters
This is
MFS and 17 4.
All MFA matters are adjourned.
Sale number 54.
54, I appear the petitioner.
Swami MM.
Lord, by an allotment order dated 19/12/2020, an industrial site, my lord, which is in question has been allotted in my favor. The tentative price was fixed at 1 crore 1 lakh per acre. Lord, I was required to pay 30%, which I have immediately deposited. Lord, within 2 months from the date of allotment, they have raised the price by 70%. Now they are in fact, my lord, asking the price as 1 crore 71 lakhs for the same
Please give the dates.
rate.
It was an auction.
No, it is not. No, it's
Allotment.
Allotment. Allotment was made at 1 crore, 1 crore 1 lakh rupees.
Any allotment letter?
Yes, my lord. Or Annexure D.
Page number?
Page number 36, Annexure D. So lots may kindly pay, para 2 may kindly be seen.
The tentative premium payable for allotment of the said
Yes.
land has
Yes.
been fixed at rupees.
1 crore 1 lakh
The
per acre.
tentative premium.
Yes,
Time and
tentative.
again, they have said it is tentative
Tentative,
premium.
that's right, madam. But within 2 months.
So
they
let's
have
see,
raised
what is that?
price.
What is further what they say?
This 30% I have immediately deposited.
No, after that, when is the next communication?
Next, there is no communication. Within 2 months, in fact, my lord, they asked me to pay 1 crore 71
No.
lakhs. Annexure G.
Within 30 days, you have to enter into an agreement, isn't it?
I'm not the contesting party.
Who's the contesting?
The Chandrasekhar. KDB is the.
Where is he? Ask
This
him
is
to come.
squarely covered by a Supreme Court judgment. In
Let
fact,
them, let
it should
them
be reasonable.
inform.
Pass over.
I'll inform.
Huh?
I'll inform.
Inform
The
me, pass.
Passover, let it be called on Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday.
Then if you're asking for an adjournment, it will go on, it will go to 22nd because there are so many dates given. 22nd. 23rd.
23rd. Much obliged.
Yes. At the request of there is no representation on behalf of the, which respondent is?
Respondent number 3.
Respondent number
3.
2 and 3.
Yes,
2 and 3. This is matter on so and so. By that time, objections are filed?
They have filed. They have filed.
Yes, 55.
Much obliged.
Appearing for respondent number 2.
One.
Respondent number 2 and 3.
In this case? Next case or the earlier case?
This case.
KDB.
50 for KDB.
What are your instructions?
Senior has to be
Tell him
appeared.
he's going.
No, he's seeking the time also.
Time.
Why you seeking time?
Senior is in another court, my lord. Court on number 4.
Come on 23rd.
Much over.
Much obliged.
It's 55. Delete from the caption dismissal.
Cell number 55. 55, SR Hegde Udlamane for petitioner, SN
Do that.
Keshav Bhatt.
The writ petition has come up before this court on 23/3/2026 as there is no representation. The matter was directed to be listed today as the caption for dismissal. Today also there is no representation. Accordingly, it appears that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. Accordingly, dismissed for non-prosecution.
56, Mohammad Sharif. Anuj Changa copy for respondent.
This writ petition of 2022. No interim order is granted in this case. It came up on 73/2022 and thereafter it came up on 23/3/2026. As there was no representation, same order. Yes. Next.
Cell number 57. 57, Dhananjay CP
Is it
Subramaniam.
filed? This is a repetition of 2023. A repetition of 2023 has come up before the court on 24/3/2026. On the day, there was no representation. It's directed the matter today, same dismissed for non-prosecution.
Cell number 58, Kusum M for petitioner.
Same repetition is of the year 2023. No interim order is granted. And the matter came up on 23/3/2026. No representation. Same.
Cell number 59, Kavita N.
This also. Petition of 2023. No interim order is granted. When the matter came up on 25/3, same, no representation. The matter is directed.
Cell number 60, Narendra S.
For
Rao
pass or
CP.
my lord. Affidavit is ready, my lord. Kindly pass or my lord.
Any passwords are there today? Only one password.
On 5 minutes, my lord, is getting there.
Tomorrow?
Please, my lord.
Tomorrow. huh?
Please.
Or,
My lords.
we'll have it on first.
Millards, on facts of the matter, Millards, they had served me a copy of an affidavit on 10/11/2024, Millards. This honorable court had directed the petitioner to file an affidavit undertaking to repay, Millards. That was served on me, Millards. I have immediately shared it to the branch as well, Millards. As per that affidavit, in another 10 days, that period itself is going to lapse, Millard.
My humble submission,
2023 is the
has
order
been
of
directed to-
magistrate, Millards.
First, let's talk about- Yes.
Cell number
Please,
61,
Delete from the caption dismissal this 60. Yes, 61.
Ravi Shankar K. 61, Ravi
Appear for
Shankar
the
K.
petitioner.
On the earlier data, as per the direction. of the
Today he has
exam-
paid 2,60,000, my lord.
As per the,
And expenses he has to pay 45,000.
kindly see the order of the last date, my lord. As per the submission made by the respondent, my lord, there is outstanding is 2,60,000, my lord. This honorable court has directed me to file affidavit, my lord. Meantime, my lord, I will pay the entire amount, my lord.
Entire amount is paid.
Please.
He has paid entire amount. They are saying expenses incurred towards taking CMIS order for under section 14, my lord, please.
That they will not pay.
No, they are not paid.
My lord, as per the submission of the
No,
respondent. my
that
lord,
is
kindly
the
see the order.
total amount interest and principal.
Now, whatever on instruction she would submit, now they say the expenses of how much?
45,000.
That's what is outstanding.
Last date of hearing, my lord, she is not submit the same. my lord.
Nobody can deny it. I'll adjourn it on, I'll take it up on first by the time you pay that 45,000. Or
Within
some
1 month.
other day we'll have it on.
It may be disposed, my lord,
Disposed,
saying
ma'am.
that let him pay the.
Within 1 month, I will pay the 45,000.
Instead of, not 1 month. This is matter on 28th April, by the time you pay 45,000.
Please.
This is matter on 28th. It is submitted that the petition, by the land council, the petitioner, that he has paid the entire amount. Land council appearing to the respondent, bank submits that for the an amount of rupees 45,000 is outstanding, which was spent with the bank towards for the expenses. Yes.
Serial number, list number 2. Serial number
This
1.
also delete from the caption dismissal. Yes.
List number 2, serial number 1.
Matter is settled out of court, ma'am. Permission to withdraw petition.
Take that. MO is well, seeking to withdraw the writ petition.
Endorsement has been.
That the matter is settled between the parties accordingly. Dismissed as withdrawn. Yes.
Serial number 2. Somshekaraya RP. Process.
Yes, what about this?
In this matter, my lord, instructions are required, my lord. I am not yet received the instruction that they have given complaint on 7/11/2024, my lord. I have to get instructions, my lord, what action has been taken.
Then CGP seeks no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Then HCP seeks time to get instructions. This is matter for dismissal on 23rd.
Serial number 3.
Serial number 3, my lord. Based on the complaint, my lord, the crime was registered in 135 of 22. Thereafter, my lord, B report is filed, my lord. They have filed the protest memo before the jurisdiction police also, my lord. Nothing survive for consideration. Since B report is filed, my lord, we are not interfering with the petitioner's property. my lord. Their prayer is at page 24, my lord.
Yes. The present petition is filed, seeking the following prayer. You have registered the crime against the locals.
No, my lord. One local has given a complaint, my lord. They are knocking the property.
No, come to the prayer. What he is seeking is
Yes, my lord.
directing the respondents 1 to 3 to grant police protection to the petitioner.
For this, my lord, one
Against the local residents.
yes, my lord. One Rajappa has filed a complaint, my lord.
That's the relief they're seeking is different. The no representation poses matter for dismissal on 27th of April. Yes, next.
Number 7. Serial number 4. Prem Kumar AN.
What about this?
This matter also, my lord, I have to get instructions, my lord.
Yes, no
First time it is
representation for
listed.
the petitioner. Then you appear for in 4.
Serial number 7.
Serial number 4.
Then counsel for the petitioner. There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. Counsel for the learned HCGP seeks time to get instructions. List this matter on 22nd for dismissal. Yes.
Serial number 5 adjourned. Serial number 6.
It is covered by judgment of this coordinate bench, my lord. Wherein, my lord, the hookah has been banned, my lord, by the government, my lord. It was upheld by this honorable court, my lord.
Let's take this. What is the relief they are seeking?
Not to interfere with the business of the hookah.
Honorable mandamus, thereby directing the respondent not to disturb or interfere in the business of petition to run a restaurant in which food services as well as smoking hookah beverages, soft drinks, supply services are available.
It is banned, my lord, by circular issued by the government, my lord. That has been upheld by this honorable court, my lord. So many petitions were filed.
And will pass this order in their presence.
Please.
This is matter on first for dismissal,
Cell number
no
7.
representation for the petitioner. Then the SCGP submits that the matter is covered by the a judgment of this coordinate bench of this court in Sri R. Bharat versus State of Karnataka.
Yes.
Yes.
For the petition in this case.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, this court, my lord, by order dated 13/12/2023 has directed the petitioner to appear before the IO, my lord. They appeared, my lord, investigation has been completed, my lord, and B report was filed on 9/12/2024, my lord, before the 4th ACMM court, my lord.
The writ petition is filed, seeking the following prayer. Learned CGP submits that the coordinate bench of this court on 12/12/2023.
13/12/23.
12/12/2023 has directed the petitioner to appear before the investigating officer on 13/12/2023 at 3 p.m. Petitioner has appeared. The police have conducted the investigation, and after that, a B report is filed
Yes, my lord, on
After-
9/12/24.
on 9/12/2024, which is in his knowledge.
It is within the knowledge, my lord, before file.
First time I am hearing this matter, subject to protest.
9/12/2024. Hence,
Liberty, my lord,
accordingly,
to
this court has passed the following order. The writ petition is disposed of, giving liberty to the petitioner to question the B report.
Please. Right.
Cell number 8. Adjourned. Cell number 9. Ketan Kumar.
For petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
In that, my lord's petition is challenged, police notice issued by the respondent number 4. My apology, my lord, annexure is in Kannada. I mean,
In this matter, may I make one submission, my lord? In this matter, may I make one submission?
Yes.
In this matter, my lord, after issuance of notice, my lord, the petitioner appeared before the IO, my lord. He has given a statement stating that, my lord, it is civil in nature, my lord. Recording his statement, my lord, endorsement was issued on 5/4/2022, my lord.
I have no knowledge about.
I will serve a
this.
copy of it.
Please,
In
please,
which, my lord, this
We'll
is
have it
petition.
on some other day.
please, my lord. Otherwise, kindly pass on, my lord, look into that.
Password because there are no matters. That's
Next,
why
next week.
There's this matter on 9th of April.
My lord, interim order may be extended, my lord.
Tomorrow, earlier granted is this.
Please.
Number 10. 10. Leeladhar HP for petitioner.
They intended to open a rowdy sheeter. Our own High Court were
instructions in
accepted
this?
internal
I
page
filed statement of
130.
objections in this matter.
It's
You
covered
filed?
by the judgment of this honorable court. In page number 130, Your Lordship. The honorable court had been given a direction.
Is it covered by the judgment?
Please, my lord.
This is covered by the judgment.
Yes, Your
It is
Lordship.
also referred in the statement of objections, my lord, because there is other cases are pending against the petitioner, my lord, that are all mentioned in the statement of objections, my lord.
Okay, that's
He is an habitual offender, my lord. His name cannot be
Yes,
deleted
Your
from the
Lordship.
order.
Your Lordship, see that.
We'll
The,
hear it on some other day.
Yes.
This is matter on 17th of June. Yes.
Cell number 11.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, the
Raymond Raj.
petitioner approached this court, my lord, by filing the criminal petition number 1073 of 23. In that matter, my lord, the proceedings was stayed. Nothing has
For
taken place. It may be
representation
called
on
up.
behalf of the petitioner, let him be there. On behalf of the petitioner, list this matter on 22nd for the, under the caption dismissal. Yes.
Cell number 12. Adjourned. 13.
My lord, I appear for the
12,
respondent, my
adjourned,
lord. My lord, I appear for the respondent.
Appearing on behalf of petitioner, my lord. Serial number 11, appearing
And the
on behalf of petitioner. Serial number 11, my lord.
It's already adjourned. So this matter. Yes, yes.
Cell number
Not this matter,
Lord.
serial number 11.
11.
Yes, what are your instructions?
Time, my lord.
Same day without, not on the caption dismissal, that item number 11. Yes.
13.
Appear for the respondent
My
number.
lord, I appear for the respondent.
Where is? You that.
On the last occasion, I given the citation in support of my contention.
Petition number 1414.
Where is the petitioner?
Is not it.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. And the matter is directed to be listed in the caption dismissal. Today also there is no representation. Accordingly, that petition is dismissed for non-prosecution.
After the dismissal adjourned. 35.
I requested the respondent bank, my lord, to furnish.
He's saying something.
Lord, in this case,
Hmm.
The essay has been dismissed, that has been challenged, that is the one part, my lord.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, what they are submitting before this honorable court, they are ready for the settlement.
Hmm.
My lord, if they are ready for the settlement, my lord, we will instruct the bank. My lord, let them approach the bank to give their.
Tomorrow only
Well, for the petitioner submits that the parties are ready to settle the dispute.
My lord, the due may be noted, my lord, as on date, 1 crore 49 lakhs.
As per the respondents, outstanding is 1 crore,
About 1 crore 49 lakhs.
about 1 crore 49 lakhs. The petitioner shall approach the bank on which date?
My lord, tomorrow, but they have, or Monday.
Shall approach the bank tomorrow
Tomorrow.
and shall negotiate with the bank basing on the Dismissals matter on 15th of April.
I'll approach the bank.
Done?
The interim order may be extended.
Interim order earlier granted is extended.
15 one matter is there.
Huh?
15 serial number 15 least one.
What has happened to 15?
15 party in person matter.
He asked for time because as I said, it's not maintainable.
Yes, my lord, he filed an application under section 45 to send the documents for forensic expert to give the opinion, my lord. 13 to 34 has been challenged. In coordinate bench,
His first list.
coordinate bench.
These matters in the second list, and in the morning mentioning itself will adjourn those matters.
With my lord's coordinate bench, my lord, the same was about to. Then you told I don't have any documents. Coordinate bench directed me, at least you provide the documents. We have provided the documents, now he has come up with an application.
With my lord's permission, with my lord's permission. Lord's one matter, serial number 43.
40?
43 in
What
first
happened?
list was dismissed as not maintainable, my lords. I could not be present, please, my lords. I was held up in a
40?
different, 43
Dismissed.
as not maintainable. I was in a different court hall, please, my lords. And it
Yes,
was,
no, you tell the court, how is it maintainable?
my lords, all I ask is this much. It may be had on first, my lords. I will convince my lords. It was done in my absence.
It's
That's the
not-
reason.
No, I knew that there is no problem for the court, but ultimately you are not going to succeed.
But
There
my
are-
presence, my lords.
There are no number of, no, I'll hear it now. I'll call that matter. You tell the court how is it maintainable. In the light of the judgment of the Supreme Court, it is not maintainable.
It may be just had on first, my lords. The same order can, my absence, my lords. I cannot.
That's what I'm saying. I will hear you now.
It was,
I'll recall that order and hear you now.
we just had on first, my lords. Aste. That's all.
Not presence. He says first he wants to argue the matter.
No, on first, my lords, my presence will be there. I'll just, I will appraise myself as to the judgment and make submissions. That's all.
Yes,
Because the first time.
That 43 lists this matter on, at the request of learned counsel, the petitioner lists the matter on first.
Interim order may be extended.
No interim order.
Interim order is there, please, my lords, in that. Objections are filed, interim order is there, please, my lords. That's the reason.
26 matter it is.
43,
Yes, it's a 2026 matter.
please, interim order is there. It's a non-compliance of section 13(3)(a). On the first date, please, interim order was filed.
I have granted.
Please,
Where is the interim order? None appears. Is this the correct file? 40?
43, 4151 of 2026.
When did you get the interim order?
Second date, please, my lords. No coercive steps should be taken. May I just,
Learned counsel, the respondent seeks time to file objections.
please,
Till such time the respondent shall not take any. You have got an interim order because they have sought time.
lords, they have sought time because they have not complied with section 13(3)(a). On that date.
But anyhow, the learned counsel for the petitioner seeks time. The writ petition against so and so is not maintainable in the light of the law laid down by the apex court in that Vishwabharati and
That's-
Shobha. List this matter on first. Yes, interim order earlier granted is extended.
Court of, sir. Court of, sir.
50 also on 17 person. Sir, ಹೇಳಿ.
50 madam, 50 ಏನಾಯ್ತು madam?
ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ 17/4 ಅಡ್ಜನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಆಯ್ತು madam, thank you.
ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಆನ್
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಫ್ರೈಡೇಸ್ MFA.
Okay.